Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Abid Hussain Khan, and you're watching my YouTube channel Auto Trends Today, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, from luxurious rides to sporty machines, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our newest content. Today, we're covering an exciting car that's turning heads, the 2025 Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has long been a staple in the mid-size sedan segment, known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and family-friendly features. The 2025 Honda Accord is back, and it comes with a modernized design, improved technology, and upgraded performance. Let's break down everything you need to know about this impressive sedan. The 2025 Honda Accord sports a more aggressive and sleek design compared to its predecessor. Up front, you'll notice a revamped grille that seamlessly integrates with newly designed LED headlights, giving the Accord a bold and striking look. The aerodynamic profile is accentuated by sharp body lines and a sloping roof line, lending the car a coupe-like silhouette. New alloy wheel designs range from 17 to 19 inches, and the rear end features updated LED taillights and a refined bumper for a more sophisticated appearance. Step inside the 2025 Accord, and you're greeted with a more premium and spacious cabin. The dashboard has a minimalist and driver-centric layout, with high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. One of the biggest highlights is the new 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, which comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, providing customizable displays for vital driving information. Passengers in the back will enjoy generous legroom, and the Accord's trunk space remains among the best in its class, perfect for weekend getaways or family road trips. Honda has packed the 2025 Accord with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is smoother and more intuitive, with a refined user interface and a faster response time. For audio feels, the top trims come with a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system. Honda Sensing, the brand suite of safety features, is standard across all trims, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. Higher trims offer additional features like a head-up display, a 360-degree camera system, and ventilated front seats for added luxury. Powertrain options. Performance. The 2025 Accord comes with two powertrain options. The base model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering around 192 horsepower and 192 pounds-feet of torque. This engine has been fine-tuned for smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, mated to an updated CVT transmission. The hybrid variant, which is becoming increasingly popular, pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with Honda's latest hybrid technology, offering a combined output of 204 horsepower. This setup not only enhances fuel economy but also provides a responsive and engaging driving experience. The ride quality is balanced, with a suspension system that soaks up road imperfections while maintaining solid handling and cornering stability. Honda is known for fuel-efficient vehicles, and the 2025 Accord is no exception. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine is expected to deliver impressive MPG figures, making it a great option for daily commuting. The hybrid version takes things to another level, with fuel economy ratings that are among the best in its class. This makes the Accord Hybrid a top pick for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice performance. The 2025 Honda Accord is available in several trims: LX, X, Sport, XL, Sport L, and the top-of-the-line Touring Hybrid. The starting price is expected to be around $28,000, with higher trims and the hybrid models pushing past the $40,000 mark. For those looking for a blend of luxury and technology, the Touring Hybrid is loaded with features that justify the premium price tag. The 2025 Honda Accord is a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation and quality. It combines sleek styling, advanced technology, and efficient yet powerful performance, making it a standout choice in the mid-size sedan market. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the new Accord is worth a serious look. That's all for our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Accord. What are your thoughts on Honda's latest offering? Are you impressed with the new design and features? Or do you think they could have done more? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more content like this, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the best in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Auto Trends Today.